soluble. This is a soluble substance. So this is a soluble substance. So very important to this chemical equations. So carbonates and any bicarbonates react with acids, salt, water, and carbon dioxide given. Whenever the carbon dioxide means the suitable carbon dioxide, send them are passed in the lime water to form a calcium carbonate. So the calcium carbonate, it's a milky white precipitate. So then water also forming. So this is insoluble substance. So it is called a precipitate. Suppose excess of carbon dioxide, not a suitable. Excess of large amount of carbon dioxide, send them to the lime water means slowly the insoluble substance slowly dissolved in this solution. It is form a soluble substance are forming. Means calcium hydrogen carbonate forming. Right. So this is the equations of reaction of acid with carbonates and bicarbonates. Right. Next is the neutralization reaction. Next is the neutralization. Neutralization reaction. So the neutralization reaction, an acid react with base to form salt and water. So this is called a neutralization reactions. An acid, suppose HCl, react with any base, NaCl, not NaCl, NaOH, that is salt. So HCl, so this is the acid, and NaOH, so base. So an acid react with a base. So to form a salt, salt means NaCl, H2O, NaCl and
H2O.
H2O. So this is one type of a double decomposition reaction. So double decomposition means what? 1 minute. So an acid reacts with a base to form a salt and water. So this is a type of a double decomposition reaction. Double decomposition reaction. Right. Double decomposition means what? So the mutual ions are exchanging. Suppose now acid can divided the H plus Cl minus. Now the base it can divided the Na plus and OH minus. So one acid it divided the one positive charge species, another side one negative charge species. Same as well as the base also it can divided the one positive charge species, another one negative charge species. So the mutual ions are exchanging. Means So the H plus ion it combined with the OH minus, the Cl minus ion it combined with the Na plus, then to form a salt and water. So this is called a neutralization reaction. So salt means not only sodium chloride. Salt means any acid react with any base to form a salt. Suppose another example you take nitric acid. So nitric acid react with the potassium hydroxide. So nitric acid react with the potassium hydroxide means nitric acid can divide the H plus NO3 minus. Now potassium hydroxide also K plus OH minus. So this H plus combining with the OH minus. Now K plus combining with the NO3 minus. So now it form a KNO3 plus H2O. So this potassium nitrate also one of the salt. So but these salt, so this salt it have the some common names have. So this sodium chloride chemical name. So common name means this is the common salt. Another one is the table salt also. So sodium chloride, what are the common names? Common salt and table salt. Mostly these sodium chloride only utilized. That's why given the salt. But another salt also there. This also potassium nitrate also. It is a salt. Right. So one more example would be. So neutralization reaction means an acid react with a base to form a salt and water. So that is called a neutralization reaction. So in the neutralization reaction, one type of a double decomposition reaction. Double decomposition reaction. Right. So sodium chloride. So sodium chloride. So it is a NaCl. So these NaCl it have the some common names. What are the common names? One is the table salt. Second one is the common salt. These two have the common names in the sodium chloride. All right, okay. One more example you take. Suppose sulfuric acid. So this is the king of the chemical. So this also acid. So in the sulfuric acid react with any base. Suppose any base means like lime base. So this is the lime water. Calcium also. So the sulfuric acid can divide it the H plus SO4 minus. So this base also it can divide it the Ca plus 2 and OH minus. So now this H plus combining with the OH minus. Now this Ca plus combining with the SO4 minus 2. So an acid react with a base to form a salt. Means first of all water is right now. Then salt what from? Calcium sulfate. So this calcium sulfate also one type of a salt. Salt means not only sodium chloride. So different type of salt have. That is the very, very important. Right. So now utilized for the identify for the indicators. So take about the 2 ml of dilute NaOH solution in a test tube, add a 1 drop of phenolphthalein indicators. So this is the one test tube. So in this test tube you take the 10 ml. Actually this is the 100 ml capacity test tube. So you take the 10 ml or 50 ml NaOH solution. So now add the phenolphthalein indicator. So phenolphthalein indicator, it's a colorless. So whenever phenolphthalein indicator is added in the NaOH solution means so it turns to the what color?
Pink
Hello?
color.
Huh?
Pink.
Excellent answer. Excellent.
Like-
So that is pink color forming, right? Now pink color forming. Now another side you add the a small amount of concentrated HCl. So concentrated HCl slowly adding means so the concentrated HCl coming and dissolved in the this NaOH solution means so a particular or instantaneous time this concentrated HCl it can neutralize the NaOH. Slowly the pink color it disappear. Why the pink color disappear? So the HCl solution
It's
intensity
neutralized.
the HCl solution intensity is more. So the HCl solution hello చెప్పండమ్మా. Okay, HCl solution adding means slowly the pink color it can disappear. Why disappear means the HCl coming adding means the more dominated in the HCl. So that's why the pink color it will disappear. Now another side again add the NaOH solution means what happened? Again add the NaOH solution means the pink color will be
Pink
reappear.
color appeared.
Why means na NaOH adding means slowly the HCl intensity is decreasing, the NaOH intensity increasing. So which is the more dominant, that color will be
NaOH.
NaOH is more dominated. NaOH is the more intensity content. That's why the disappear pink color again reappear.
Reappear.
Again, reappear. Disappear, reappear and మనం చదువుకుంటూ ఉండాలి. Suppose another సేమ్ కలర్ మీద మనం కన్ఫ్యూజన్ చేస్తాడు క్వశ్చన్. సపోజ్ so now this is the one beaker. So in this beaker you take the dilute HCl. So in this dilute HCl means you add the 2-3 drops of methyl orange indicators. What color coming? Cheppandi. So methyl orange indicator actually orange color.
Red color.
Red color వస్తుంది.
So the methyl orange elements this is the HCl, so it turns to the red color. Excellent answer.
Red color.
Yes, good. Excellent. Now after slowly you add the NaOH solution. So NaOH solution means adding means the NaOH solution coming and dissolved in this HCl means a particular point of time and instantaneous time the NaOH solution then neutralized the HCl. Then the red color is disappear. Another new color is forming. What new color is forming?
Yellow
Excellent
color.
answer. Why means NaOH అన్నట్టు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ రెడ్ కలర్ డిసపియర్ అవుతూ స్లోగా yellow color is forming. That is a very important. Why means the NaOH solution intensity is increasing or NaOH solution the more concentrated, dominated in the NaOH. Then the yellow color appears, red color disappear. Now again HCl adding means what happen? Now again HCl adding means what
Red
happen?
color.
Red color.
Red
Excellent
color
answer.
Red color
reappears.
comes.
Right.
Reappears.
So now HCl adding means slowly the yellow color it cannot disappear. Again the
Turns
red
off.
color will be
And
appear. So this is
reappear.
the neutralization reaction of the with the help of the indicators. Are you understanding? Very simple.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Only one trick. So acids unta manaku only one color రావాలి, that is the red color. Suppose
Red.
suppose bases there means so red litmus ఇచ్చినప్పుడు bases లో blue color, phenolphthalein
Blue
ఇచ్చినప్పుడు pink
color.
color,
Blue.
methyl arranger ఇచ్చినప్పుడు
Pink.
Pink.
Yellow.
Yellow color.
రైట్ అంతే. అది గుర్తు తెచ్చుకుంటే క్వశ్చన్ ఎట్లా ఇచ్చినా మనం యూ వెరీ ఈజీలీ సాల్వ్. రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ రియాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ యాసిడ్ విత్ మెటల్ ఆక్సైడ్. this one. This is a neutralization reaction. Reaction of acids with metal oxide. Reaction with reaction of acid. Reaction of acids with metal oxide. Reaction of acid with metal oxide. Right. So acid. So acid, what do you take? So you take the acid HCl. So metal oxide, you take the copper oxide. So the HCl react with the copper oxide to form a CuCl2, cupric chloride and water. So this is the blue
H2O.
green color. Blue is green color. So copper, it shows the two charges, iron electron same. So one is the Cu plus 1, another one is the Cu plus 2. So Cu plus 1 combining with the Cl minus, then crisscross method CuCl2. So this is the cuprous chloride analogy. So acid. So less charge means acid. Already you know Fe plus 2, Fe plus 3. Fe plus 3 higher charge means equal. So ferric oxide. 1 minute. Hello? Sir, sir. Sir. Okay, sir. Right. So copper. So this is the copper chloride. But what is the chemical name means? So this is the cupric chloride. So
Cuprous
what is the chemical name? Cupric chloride. How can you say? So the copper shows the variable charge, means two charges. Cu plus 2, another side Cu plus 1, another side Cu plus 2. So whenever the Cu plus 1 combined with the Cl minus, so means lesser charge combined with the another negative charge means so given in the what is the ASU. So this is the cuprous chloride. So next another side. So this is Cu plus 2, Cl minus. Then both are combining to form a CuCl2. So this is the equal. So this is the cupric chloride. So this is the cupric, this is the cuprous chloride. So that is the cupric chloride. So now the acid react with the metal oxide. So acid react with the metal oxide means to form a salt and water. So this salt and water, how to forming? An acid react with the base. So the metal oxide, it stands for a base. This metal oxide, it stands for a base. So an acid react with the metal oxide to salt and water. Salt and water, how to forming? So instead of that base, you take the metal oxide. So metal oxide also combining with the acid, salt and water forming means the metal oxide acts as a basic in nature. Right down. The metal oxides acts as a basic in nature. In the down, right down. Metal oxide and metal hydroxide acts as a basic in nature, acts as a basic in nature, right? This is the very important. Right. So this is bluish green color also sometime asking. So this is cupric chloride. So cupric chloride what color? Bluish green color. How to forming means an acid react with the metal oxide. Metal oxide means that is a copper oxide. Copper oxide means bluish green color. Right. Next. Reaction of base with non-metal oxide. Reaction of base with non-metal oxide. So base means you take the lime water. Base means lime water. So that is the calcium hydroxide, means like lime. So then react with the non-metal oxide means you take the carbon dioxide. So very simple. So this is the one beaker. So in this beaker, first you take the lime water. Lime water means it is a basic in nature. Basic nature or base. So in this lime water, basic in nature, set them to the carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide, non-metal oxide. So carbon dioxide, non-metal oxide. So whenever the carbon dioxide sent them to the or passing to the lime water means slowly the lime water convert to the a milky white precipitate forming. A milky white precipitate forming. Milky white precipitate forming. So this milky white precipitate is called a calcium carbonate, means insoluble substance. So this is the calcium carbonate. So it is a insoluble substance. Insoluble substance. So this is the PPT. So this is the milky white ATP. Then from water. So this insoluble substance milk white precipitate into one type of a salt. So the salt and water, how to forming? So base react with the acid. So in the acid place, what you take a non-metal oxide. So the non-metal oxide also acts as a non-metal oxide also acts as a acidic in nature. So non-metal oxide acts as a acidic in nature. How can you see? So base react with the non-metal oxide, salt and water forming. The salt and water how to forming means a base react with the acid. A base react with the acid means so in the acid phase. So instead of acid you take the non-metal oxide. Non-metal oxide also you take means salt and water forming means the non-metal oxide it acts as a acidic in nature. Non-metal oxide acts as a acidic in nature. Very, very important. All right. So now write down the non-metal. So non-metal oxides. Non-metal, comma, non-metal, comma, non-metal oxides acts as a non-metal oxides acts as a acidic in nature.
Acidic
Acidic in
nature.
this one. Right. Right. Next, what do acids in have common? What do acids in have common? So that also very, very important. What do acids have in common? What do acids in common? So acid. So now acid react with the any metal. So to form a metal salt and hydrogen gas will be liberated. Acid means suppose you take the nitric acid, any acid. Now metal means you take the magnesium. So then magnesium nitrate, this is the salt. So generally it released in the hydrogen gas. So that's why acids have in common hydrogen gas. So means so in the acids, suppose HCl. So HCl in the presence of the water, it get divided the H plus Cl minus. Now HNO3 in the presence of the water, it can divided the H plus NO3 minus. Now H2SO4 in the presence of the water, so it can divided the H plus and SO4 minus 2. So these all acids which part have common. So the H plus only it have the common. H plus only it have the common. But the H plus could not exist. The H plus could not exist. So whenever the H plus ion released in the water molecule, so 4 to 6 water molecule, so this light it will be surrounded. So 4 to 6 water molecule. So very, very important, asking number of times. How many water molecules can surrounded the H plus ion? 4 to 6 water molecules. So 4 to 6 water molecules then surrounded means what forming? So one H plus combining with the H2O then to form a H3 plus ion. So means what to have in acid in common means H plus ion, either H3O plus also. Means so H plus H2O combining then to form a H3O plus. So this is a hydronium ion. So hydrogen ion also okay. Hydrogen ion also okay, but this hydrogen ion not existing. Not existing. So that's why. So this hydrogen ion immediately. So frequently it can combined with the any one water molecule, then to form a H3O plus. That is the hydrogen ion. Now the hydrogen ion it will be formed. So means what do acids in common means? So the H plus ion or H3O plus ion. So this is also very, very important. Next, what do bases have in common? Write on this one. So in the bases, NaOH base in the presence of the water molecule, it can divide the Na plus OH minus. Next KOH, the presence of the water molecule, it can divide the K plus OH minus. So now magnesium, milk of magnesia. So in the water molecule, so it can divide the Ng plus to OH minus. Now lime water, so it can divide the H2 plus Ca plus 2 and OH minus. So the basis what we have common means so OH minus hydroxide ion. So the basis it have common in the hydroxide ion. That is the very, very important. So in the acid it have the common H plus and OH minus ion. So in the basis it have the common in the OH minus ion. That is the very, very important. In the right on acid low H plus and H3O plus ion. Now base, so OH minus ion have common. So this is a very, very important. Right. So in this chapter, you have any doubt, you ask me. So tomorrow I will be explain the so that activity 7 and activity 8, activity 9 also. After then go to the pH scale. So remaining 4-6 classes, the chapter will be completed. If you have any doubt, you ask me. Right. Okay. Bye. So read